Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make smooth transition in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Capcut application, and as you can see I have imported some clips to this Capcut project, and I'm going to create smooth animation for all of these clips. First thing first guys, we can click on the transition menu right here. Just click on this icon, and then you have to go to the blur transition. Okay, and you can scroll down until you find the vertical blur transition, this one, and here you will be able to adjust the duration of the transition you would like to apply, and I'm going to reduce the duration like this. You can customize the duration according to your needs, and then if you want to apply this transition to all your clip, you can click on apply to all, and then the same transition will be applied to all our clips. Okay, now the transition has been applied, and I'm going to take a look at the final result. Okay, this is the result guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can make smooth transition in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.